Hello, dear students. How are you doing today? So, I'm Sureshi, your math teacher, and today we're going to talk about properties of powers, properties of exponent. Okay, so here it is, properties of exponent or of powers. Let's get started. So at first, we're going to talk about properties of exponent like rules, okay? This kind of like rules, but they are the way how to solve the, you know, something like variable or number that have exponent that have power. So the first one, product of powers. When multiplying like base added exponents, like base. Here it is, the base. I told you before, this is a base. Here it is, base. The same base, added exponent, added powers. Okay, the next one, power over power. If we have a 2 power with a parenthesis, and also if we have, like base here, a, and we have a 2 powers, you will say like m times n. Whenever it was a number, you will multiply them, okay? When taking an exponent to a power, multiply the exponents. The third one, power of a product, distribute. So as to distribute, I told you before, the distribute when you group these two things, okay, like whatever it was. But here we have A and B, which is two different number, not same base, okay? So you will give M to A and also you will give M to B, like a distribute, okay? You will distribute it. Okay, it will be A power M and also B power M. These are not the same base, okay? So this is the solution. Negative exponent. If we have a negative power, negative exponent, flip to opposite side, okay? So you will flip it, like, you will move it to denominator. As it was a numerator, you will move it to denominator, okay? To become a positive number. Always, when you try to, make this power to be a positive, you will change their positions, okay? So here we have example number 1 on page 28, multiplying powers with the same base. Multiply, write the product of one power. So as we have a same base here, 5 and 5 are the same base. What we will do to the exponent, we will add them. Like 4 plus 3 equals 7. That's it. So easy. B, a power 12 and also a power 12. As we have the same base, you will add the exponent. Okay? So when you added them, becomes 24. A power 24. That's so easy. So we have a C here, 16. As you can see, there is no exponent here, right? That means it's 1. That means it is 1. So 16 power 1 times 16 power negative 7. So you will say 1 minus 7, 1 plus minus 7. Plus times minus equals plus, times minus equals minus. So 1 minus 7 equals negative 6. Why negative 6? Because 7 is greater than 1, so you will use the sign of 7. Okay? D. We have a different base. Cannot combine, the bases are not the same. Because the bases are not the same, so it will stay just like, just like that. Example 2 on page 29. So we have a dividing powers with the same base. If we have a same base and if we have a divide, write the quotient as 1 power. So here it is the question. divide, write the quotient as 1 power. So move, denominator to the upper became a -5. Okay? When you're changing the positions of numbers or variables, the sign will change. Okay? So here became a -5. 8 minus 5 equals 3. So also subtract exponents equals 10 power 3. So here you have x power 9, y power 4. It will stay the same because cannot combine. The base are not the same. Okay? The base are different. So we have a question here. You can subtract exponent in dividing powers unless the number have the same base. If they are different, cannot combine. Okay? Okay, student, example 3, raising a power to a power. Simplify. 7 power 5, parenthesis power 3. So you will say 5 times 3 equals 15, okay? 7 power 15, B, 8 power 9. You will say 9 times 11 equals 99. The same thing for if there is negative numbers, negative times negative positive. 7 times 4 2 equals 14. Okay, and here we have 12. Positive times negative equal negative. So 10 times 6 equals 16. So student, this was the end of our lesson for today, and good luck.